If you want to automatically add borders on your table as you add more records to your dataset like this is how you do it. First, place your cursor on the very first row of the very first cell. Like for example, mine will be A2 here, and then press Ctrl Shift right arrow key. Keep holding your Ctrl Shift and press down arrow key twice like this. What it does is selects all the data sets on column A, B, and C, and it looks like that. Once that's done, you make sure you're on Home tab here, under Style, Conditional Formatting, New Rule. And then you're going to select Use Formula, click on this Formula section, and select the cell A2, which is the very first row cell, right? Click on it, it comes up like that. And press F4 twice, 1, 2, and make sure it looks like a $A2 as a reference like this. And you're going to use a not equal to sign by using the less than and greater than sign. And you're going to put double quote twice like this to indicate blank. Once that's done, click on Format, make sure you're on Borders tab here, and then click on Outline, OK, and OK one more time. Now, every time you add a new row, like for example, I've said like that, you can see that Excel is creating a brand new border with me as I add more records in my dataset.